A warm welcome to all my viewers on my channel. Today's recipe is a simple chicken preparation. We are making oregano chicken tenders. Now these chicken tenders are boneless chicken strips which are easily available these days in the stores. Or else you can take a chicken fillet and cut it into long thin strips and use them. So these tenders are marinated with oregano and few other ingredients, and just before serving you can pan fry them. They take less than 10 minutes. So this makes a perfect party dish. You can marinate the chicken, keep it ready, and as soon as your guests settle down you can pan fry and serve them hot. So shall we get started and make these? Oregano chicken tenders. This is mildly flavored chicken preparation which you can enjoy as a snack or as a main dish with some salad or soup on the side. For this, we will require chicken tenders or chicken strips. You get them ready. I got them from Licious. They are cut into fine long strips. Wash them well, and then crushed garlic 1 tablespoon, fresh oregano few sprigs about 2 tablespoons, lemon 1, crushed black pepper half teaspoon, smoked paprika half teaspoon, ginger powder half teaspoon, salt as needed, and olive oil 3 tablespoons. The ingredients list also can be checked in the description box. First we'll start by crushing the garlic and oregano leaves together. This is best done in a pestle and mortar. Crush them together so all the flavors are blended. If you want a variation Indian version, you can use coriander leaves and some Indian spices also instead of these. Now this is done. Now we'll add the other ingredients: some lemon juice, salt to taste, ginger powder, smoked paprika, and crushed black pepper. Give them a nice mix with a spoon. Add the olive oil. Mix everything together. Now transfer the chicken strips into a larger mixing bowl and add the marination. Mix them until the marination is well coated on the chicken strips or chicken tenders. Now we are going to cover this and let it marinate. This is a silicone cover, it gets stuck to the dish so the flavors will remain intact inside. Just before serving, heat a grill pan and line the strips on it. We don't need to grease the pan because there's enough oil in the marination. The chicken will get cooked in its own juices and the oil that we added. This is one of the easiest and quickest chicken preparation. You can serve it as a snack in the parties also. You can see the oil coming out of the chicken. Now flip them after some time. This way, pan fry the chicken until it is done, flipping it a few times. It takes about 6 to 7 minutes. Lovely. There's a lovely oregano flavor coming out. Delicious. You see how fast it was done. If it is well marinated, it really gets cooked nicely. Chicken is done. You can check with a knife. Yeah, it's perfectly done. Can't wait to taste it. Such lovely aroma in the kitchen. Oregano is really aromatic herb. Dish it out and enjoy. Look at this, so soft and flavorful. So yummy. Friends, you must try this chicken. I bet you will want to make it again and again. Thank you for watching. And check out these videos also from the archives. You might have missed them earlier. Take care and stay tuned for the next recipe.